All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're taking a look at the all-new 2023 Cadillac Lyriq luxury trim. You can see the light show in the front how the grille illuminates when you unlock the vehicle and come close to the car. Outside you have 22-inch wheels, longer wheelbase, and the short body Escalade. Taking a look at both the black and the gray color that's available in these vehicles. I'll focus a little bit more on the black version of the car. Interior of this gray one is the sky cool gray, and then over here on the black side, this is the black color that's available on the vehicle as well. As you take a look, very, very unique, very sleek design, very, very how do I say, intuitive look to it and use. You can see that you push the handle in and tug on the little black piece in order to get into the car. Same thing for the back as well, but with the exception you tug on the side, there's a little kickstand so you can't pinch your fingers in the door there. Like I said, very intuitive. This right here, this is a pre-delivery vehicle, so it hasn't been inspected. It still has to go through inspection, so I'm going to lift the door manually there in the back, so not all options are 100% functional until it goes to the pre-delivery inspection for safety. You can see the seats in the back are released with a button. You have a deep trunk right there. Inside the bag are the charger cords for your 110 volts, 240 volts, I believe. Got that correct. You've got the reverse cameras all the way around the vehicle. This is the luxury trim level. You still have a tech trim level and a sport trim level to come. I will update if I'm wrong on anything here. If I am wrong, obviously you can throw it in the comments. You were wrong. Yeah, you have Super Cruise on the wheel. You can see it lights up. You have that 31-inch LCD screen right there. I'm sorry, OLED screen right there. They do not have a manufacturer's map navigation that's in there. They do have Google Assist, so you can connect a lot of things to the car. Also give vocal commands to the car as well. The right side of the screen is touch. The left side of the screen is touch as well. That's how you activate your lights. You can adjust the information on the screen. You can use the buttons down below in order to adjust the information on the screen. And like I said, this one still has to be pre-delivery inspected, however you want to word that correctly. So I'm just trying to put the Google Maps up, so it's taking a second. While this is, I guess, taking its time to load, going through some of the features of the car, you can see the map starting to load up right there. This one does have the rear view camera as well. Available massage seats, heated and cooled seats in the front. Very, very comfortable, lots of room, shoulder room, headroom, leg room. And overall it's a comfortable ride. Obviously electric vehicle, very silent. They do have what they call the sound of silence, the sound of the sun. So the vehicle is not driven in complete silence. I guess per law they want some kind of tone, so you're in a